This is a tutorial on how to make a screenshot on a MacBook. You hit Shift, Command 4, then you can use a little thing that looks sort of like a compass will come up. You can drag that, which will make a box around whatever you want to. When you release that, you'll have a screenshot, like this one. To take a screenshot of the entire screen, not just one part, you do Shift, Command 3. And a shot of the entire screen appears, which is useful if you're planning on rearranging your desktop and are not sure you'll like it.